Liz Magallanes identifies herself as a dreamer, an undocumented migrant seeking legal status in the U.S. She emigrated 13 years ago with her parents from Ciudad Juarez, Mexico.
My parents are both still undocumented. When my mom is going to be eligible for deferred action for the parents, so she's going to be directly affected. I've been directly impacted by deferred action for childhood arrivals. I was able to get my first job.
As many as 5 million people in the United States undocumented thought spared from deportation are in legal limbo.
We are people that they're rubbing shoulders with every single day. You know, we're your classroom mates, we're your co-workers now because of deferred action.
This after a federal court judge in Brownsville, Texas, blocked President Obama's executive order on immigration, saying states would suffer irreparable harm without the injunction. The president's action defers deportation proceedings for young immigrants if they were brought to the U.S. illegally as children. That program was set to begin Wednesday. It also extends protections to parents of American citizens and permanent residents late spring. But the decision stops that and allows a lawsuit by 26 states to go forward, aimed at permanently stopping the orders.
And I ordered them as your commander-in-chief to remain deployed on the border until my border security plan is implemented.
Now Texas Governor Greg Abbott led that lawsuit as a state attorney general and hailed the decision as curbing presidential overreach. But the White House vows to appeal.
I disagree with the Texas judge's ruling, and the Justice Department will appeal.
In border states, activists reacted with one voice.
Do not be intimidated by politicians.
We're going to fight for it until we win that. Do not be afraid. Please continue to prepare.
Saying the court order is a bump in a long legal road.
It's only a scare tactic from the Republicans, and it only really gives us that drive to continue to make sure that we implement these programs and to make them as successful as possible.
One which may wind all the way to the Supreme Court. John Mone, Associated Press, Dallas.